within a matter of 2 months, I'm just like blown away. Like, I'm literally right now sitting at like 5 inches, and I knew when I cut my hair it was every bit of probably 1.5 inches, and now look at me. I'm out there.
Welcome.
What's up, you guys? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I perfect my wash and goes. Now, for those of you who don't know, I decided to do a big chop somewhere around the beginning of June. It was right before my birthday, so the very beginning of June. I just woke up one day and chopped off all of my hair. I've always loved wash and goes on other people, but I never liked them for myself because I could never find the right products to get it, you know, how I would like it. For some reason, my hair would always turn white, or, you know, once it dried out, it would start flaking up white, and I just didn't like that. So when I first did my big chop, I would try different methods, and although they would get my hair really shiny and curly and pretty, it didn't last long. The next day, a complete fuzzball. So me being who I am, I've been testing out different concoctions to create my own curling pudding / styling gel. And y'all, I'm so excited to present this. Let me get close. So this is my newest addition, and it's called Curls Just Wanna Have Fun. And as y'all know, each one of my products have a different color of hearts. And for this one, I decided to go with the cute little sunflowers. So this is one of the main products that I'm going to be using to get my curls popping. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is washing and conditioning my hair. And I'm going to let you guys see these products up close. And this product right here is called Wash Me Away. And this is my lavender shampoo. And then I'm going to go through with the Hydrate With Me biotin infused conditioner. So I don't want this video to be too long, so let's go ahead and get started.
I want to add that this step is very important. Recently, I went out of town and I ended up using the hotel shampoo and conditioner. And I noticed that it did not look the same, it did not feel the same, and my hair did not curl up the same either. So after evaluating this product and the process of creating the perfect wash and go, I realized that it is very important to use a good shampoo and conditioner. Even if you don't use mine, although you should, use some good shampoo and conditioner. For step 2, while your hair is still damp, you're going to take the Curls Just Wanna Have Fun hair gel and you're going to start applying it all throughout your strands. What I will do is grab portions of my hair and then proceed to gently rake the gel through my strands. Starting off, your hair might appear to be a little straightened, but immediately after, those curls are going to start popping. Step 3 is optional. I'm actually not doing it in this tutorial because I don't have to, but it is highly recommended. The last step would be to use my cinnamon leave-in conditioner. When I tell you the moisture, the shebang, the pop, it's amazing.
To add that before, when I was trying out the wash and goes, when I first did my big chop, I would always go through afterwards and use my cinnamon leave-in conditioner. But with this product, I don't even have to use that. Like, my hair comes out so moisturized, that it's not even needed. If you do have this product and you would like to use it, I mean, you can never have too much moisture. Any of my customers who have purchased this, you guys know that I love this product right here. I spray it on my hair every day and it keeps my hair very soft and moisturized. So for me not to need that, you know, that's like, man, it's not just a curling definition pudding or a gel, it's also a moisturizer. So yes, I guess I'll come back later and show you guys what my hair looks like once it's all dried up. That matters, because when it's wet and your curls are popping, you know, you really can't tell like the full effect of the wash and go. You can only enjoy it as is for the moment. Alright, so it's the next morning and I wanted to show you guys my hair, like the result of it, before doing anything to it. For starts, I was so tired that I messed around and fell asleep without my bonnet. And I don't know if many of y'all are like me, but when I fall asleep as is, I usually wake up looking like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Like, whatever side I fall asleep on or whatever side I'm sleeping on, that side is usually smashed in. So a lot of times I'm smashed over here or smashed in the back. You know, it's not a good look. So to my surprise, I woke up this morning and I looked in the mirror like, whoa, like my hair is so fluffy. Previously, when I would do wash and goes, my hair on the day of the wash and go, it will come out beautiful. But once those curls dry out, it's like the curls are compact together by the styling gel. And then if you know how, like I said, the next morning when I wake up and it's smashed on one side, you know, I will try to go in and spruce it out. And you can't do that, because once those curls dry up with that product, if you try to rake them loose, all of it usually breaks up and then start turning white. And I can't stand that. I've tried a few times to add a little bit of moisture. Sometimes it'll help, but I still don't like the way it looks on my hair. It's like I have matted hair and then I have a few curls here and there, but it doesn't look good. So I usually end up opting out by just washing it and doing it all over again the next day. So I never really get to have that week-long wash and go that people talk about on YouTube until now. I just wanted to show you guys my hair. I have not added any moisturizers. I have not added any oils, nothing. This is just me waking up. So let me go ahead and turn. Never liked wearing my natural hair out in that teeny weeny afro stage. I never liked wash and goes. I didn't really like twist outs, none of that extra stuff. But with this hair, I'm gonna be trying everything. Many of you guys know that my ultimate goal is to start a locking process. I want to eventually have locks. I just think they're so beautiful. I've been obsessed with them since my first time ever going natural in 2010. But you know, because I love switching up my looks and love switching up my styles, I just never could quite settle with the idea of it, because I don't even know myself sometimes. Sometimes I'm this way and then sometimes I'm that way. Like, I don't know myself. I didn't want to fully commit to such a drastic change and be set in that, you know what I'm saying? But I've learned so much about hair since then, and you know, just like the beauty of being a hair artist, like I can still switch it up with my locks, you know what I'm saying? So I'm still leaning that way, but until I'm fully ready, I'm gonna just have fun with growing out my natural hair and just, you know, seeing where it leads me. And yeah, I think it's so cute. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think about my fro. I love it. I haven't done my edges or anything. Like I said, I just went. But yeah, and I get so many compliments on my hair. Women, guys, old people, people of all races, like they're like, oh my gosh, your hair is so beautiful. And I'm like, thank you. I'm very satisfied with doing this big chop, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna say maybe a good 3 days after doing the actual big chop, whoo, I was like, I woke up one day with that little old matted fro, and I was like, what were you thinking? Like, you can't do anything with this. And when I tell y'all, it was so little I could barely fit rubber bands on it. And around my birthday, I ended up wearing a high long ponytail, and I could not slick my hair up into a ponytail. Like, my actual ponytail at the top was like let me put it right here, it was like super short and thin, like, so I had to connect all of the ponytails together. It came out beautiful, you would never know. But whenever I took that ponytail off at night, there was just a baby tweet just waiting on me, like a real live onion head, like. So to see my hair grow so much within a matter of 2 months, I'm just like blown away. Like, I'm literally right now sitting at like 5 inches, and I knew when I cut my hair it was every bit of probably 1.5 inches. And now look at me, I'm out there. And the only products I use are my own, which is my TeedaysArt product line. So I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description box. When I make these products, I don't just make them just to say, oh my gosh, I have my own product. Like, I literally make these products with positive intentions, and you know, like really just like studying each one and just trying to get them right, you know, to make sure that it accommodates people in a way to where it's impacting. And that's my hope. Of course, it's not a miracle worker. Not everybody will feel the same way about each one of my products, but the intention for good is there. So this is the end of my video. I just want to say thank you so much to my supporters. I appreciate your love and support here on my channel. Just overall supporting me with my products. You guys are awesome, and you are so appreciated. Sometimes I feel like I just cannot say it enough. If you guys purchase this product or any other product of mine, please tag me or just hashtag TeedaysArt. I take what I do seriously, and I'm trying to take it far. With your love and your support, y'all can help me do that. Thank you so much, and y'all be blessed. Bye.